Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the 4-chord triad that you must know. My name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. Alright, so first, what is a triad? A triad is a chord with 3 notes, just like this one. We can have chord with 4, 5, or 6 notes, but for today we're only going to talk about the 4 main chord triad that you must know at the piano. So for today we're going to use the C major scale to base our chords. So this one has nothing at the key signature, so it's pretty easy. When we create our chords, we're going to talk about note degrees. In the C major scale, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So that is pretty easy. It's just the number that we add to each note here. Alright, so the first chord triad we're going to talk is the major chord, just like this one. So to create a major chord, we need the first, the third, and the 5th note of the scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have a major chord. Pretty easy, pretty simple here. So for the C major chord, we need C, E, and G. Let's do another example. So if I start from G, in the G major scale, I have an F sharp. So the first note, the third note, and the 5th note of the G major scale is G, B, and D. And this is our G major triad. What about on F? F has a B flat in the scale. So if I keep the first one, the third one, and the 5th one, I have an F major triad chord right here. So F, A, and C. Just like that. Now let's talk about the second chord triad we can have. So for this one, we're going to start from the major one. And it's going to be the minor chord triad. And for the minor, we need to have 1, flat 3, and 5. So to get the minor sound, you need to get from the major chord and add a flat to the third of the chord. And we have a minor chord triad right here. So it's C minor, and it would be C, B flat, and G. Same thing starting on G. So the G major chord is here. And if I want to have a minor, I take the third one and I flatten in. So we have G, B flat, and D. This is a G minor chord. And from F, this is the F major chord. So if I take the third and I add a flat, well, we have F, A flat, and C. And this is a minor triad chord, just like that. Alright, now let's go for the third triad chord you must learn. And it's gonna be a minor flat 5. So back to the C major chord. I said minor flat 5, so this means we have a minor chord. We already know that one. And we have a flat 5. So just like it said, we take the 5th and we flatten. So C, E flat, G flat. And we have a C minor flat 5. Just like that. Same thing starting on G. So G major, G minor, and flat 5. We take the 5th and we go right here. And we have a G minor flat 5. What about from F? So F, F minor, we take the 5th, and right here we have F minor flat 5, just like that. Alright, and we have one last to talk about, and it's gonna be the augmented chord. So an augmented chord is gonna have a major third, and for the augmented, we're actually gonna go with a sharp 5. So you might see the symbol augmented or sharp 5. It's actually the same thing. So C major, sharp 5, and we get the C augmented chord right here. From G, we have G major, G sharp 5, So this is a G augmented chord. Same thing from F, F major, F sharp 5, or augmented right here. Alright, so there you go for the 4-chord triad you must learn. Let's just recap. So we have a major chord here, and we need the first, the third, and the fifth note of the major scale. If you want a minor chord, we need the first, the flat 3, and the 5 of the major scale. If we want a minor flat 5, we need the first, the flat 3, and the flat 5 of the major scale. And if we want an augmented chord, we need the first, the third, and the sharp 5 of the major scale. Alright, there you go. So make sure you practice these in every single key and that you try to work on them with the chord inversion, because it's going to help you learn every option you have for each chords. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see more about the courses, the membership. We have a lot of free courses for you to learn the piano. So have fun with this and have a good practice.